Now more than ever, schools, colleges, and education centers need to increase frequency and capacity of disinfecting due to the ongoing public health emergency. Disinfecting with traditional methods, such as liquid disinfecting sprays, aren't as effective because in order to be completely effective, the disinfectant has to air dry. The dry time of liquid disinfectants can be 5 minutes or longer, making it difficult to properly disinfect high-traffic areas. When schools get back into session, it won't always be possible to wait for appropriate dry times on top of the time it takes to apply disinfectant and wipe properly. Instead, schools can utilize germicidal UV light to kill 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, mold, and other pathogens. Your facility has the same ability to utilize this powerful disinfection method, and now Larson Electronics has made it even easier. We have put together a special UV disinfection package for schools, colleges, and education centers to use in high-traffic areas, dorms, classrooms, locker rooms, offices, restrooms, and anywhere else disinfection needs to be done. The Larson Electronics UV disinfection package for schools includes one portable UV sanitation cart, one germicidal UV aircraft cart, and one industrial UV sanitation cart. With schools and educational facilities preparing to reopen soon, it is important to have a proper disinfection plan in place. Learn more about our UV disinfection package for schools by clicking on the link in our description. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.